Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Microsoft Excel tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to insert a line break in Excel. This is actually quite simple. First I open Microsoft Excel and I already have some data here, and this text is way too long for this cell. How can I insert a line break here? There are two options depending on whether I want to have a line break inserted automatically when the end of a cell is reached, or if I want to insert a line break manually at a specific point. First I will show you the automatic line break. To do this I simply select the cell, go to the Home tab, and under Alignment I can find Wrap Text. If I click on this, the text is immediately wrapped. Excel does this automatically when the text reaches the end of the cell. But what if I want to have a line break at a very specific point? To do this, we have to go back one step. And now I want to insert a line break after the word text, which did not work with the automatic line break. For this, I have to double click in the cell to be able to edit the text. And now I'll go to the place where I want to insert the line break. Here I press the shortcut Alt and Enter. And as we can see, the text is now wrapped at the right point. Once I have finished, I press Enter to confirm the entry. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.